In this video, I'll show you how to back up a timeline in DaVinci Resolve to save as much storage space as possible. Normally, after finishing an edit, we need to archive that timeline. However, copying the entire source folder takes up a ton of space. So, here is the method I usually use to back up a timeline. First, go up to the File menu in DaVinci Resolve and select Media Management. Next, click on the Timeline tab and choose Copy. For the destination, I usually save it to my Google Drive and create a new folder for it. Down below, you'll see a list of all the timelines currently in your project. Just check the box next to the timeline you want to back up. Now, the most important part is right here under the Copy options. You have two main choices. First is Used Media. This means the software will copy the full original source clips for anything used in that timeline. For example, if you shot 100 clips but only used 50 of them in your edit, it copies those 50 original clips in their entirety. The second option is Used Media and Trim Keeping. This is the one you want. It means Resolve will only save the exact portions of the clips you actually cut and used on the timeline. If a source clip is 60 seconds long, but you only used a 20-second chunk, this feature only copies that 20-second piece, plus a few extra handles or frames at the beginning and end that you specify. Because of this, no matter how many clips you shot or how huge the project is, it only backs up exactly what's on the timeline. It is incredibly efficient for saving storage. You can see right here under current size, it was originally over 1.2 gigabytes. But after selecting Used Media and Trim Keeping, the new size drops down to just a little over 700 megabytes. In real-world scenarios, you might have a 100 gigabyte project, but backing up a single timeline this way might shrink it down to just 10 gigabytes. Finally, just hit Start. Resolve will now save the timeline file and the trimmed media clips into your destination folder. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.